This is a large factory mold unit consisting of 3 windows joined using male-female jambs. These windows were glazed into a mitered receptor system and banded for transportation and handling. Using the latest glass handling equipment, large units are maneuvered into place for installation into panel walls or building openings. Co-extruded nail fin and integral trim pockets allow factory mold units to be anchored from either the interior or exterior via pre-drilled installation holes. This corner cutout shows the anchor clip used to secure the window into the receptor system and maintain compression on the exterior gaskets. Here you can see the dry glaze system, which has been so successful in our window units, being utilized in our factory mold units.